Quiz time. Review. What does the idiom, spill the beans, mean? The correct answer is to reveal a secret. Which sentence correctly uses the idiom, spill the beans? The correct answer is he accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. What does the idiom, break the ice, mean? The correct answer is to initiate conversation in order to ease tension. What does the phrasal verb, look up, mean? The correct answer is to search for information. Which sentence correctly uses the phrasal verb, look up? The correct answer is I looked up the recipe online. What does the phrasal verb, call off, mean? The correct answer is to cancel something. Which sentence correctly uses the phrasal verb, call off? The correct answer is they called off the event due to bad weather. What does the phrasal verb, eat out, mean? The correct answer is to dine at a restaurant. Which sentence correctly uses the phrasal verb, eat out? The correct answer is we like to eat out on Friday nights. What does the phrasal verb, bring back, mean? The correct answer is to return something to its original place. Which sentence correctly uses the phrasal verb, bring back? The correct answer is this old photo brings back many memories. What does the idiom, hit the sack, mean? The correct answer is go to bed. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The correct answer is he goes to school every day. What does the phrasal verb, break down, mean? The correct answer is to stop working. Which word best completes the collocation, blank, mistake? The correct answer is big. What does the idiom, hit the nail on the head, mean? The correct answer is to describe something exactly. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is he has gone to the store. Which phrase is correct? The correct answer is strong coffee. What does the idiom, pull someone's leg, mean? The correct answer is to tease or joke with someone. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is she doesn't like coffee. Choose the correct phrase. The correct answer is fast food. What does look up mean in this sentence? The correct answer is to search for information. Thanks for watching.